So here's an example of my postural inventory worksheet. So observing myself, I picked 3 positions that I spend a good amount of time in and kind of observed how do I automatically put my body in these positions. So the first one is my lounging position on the couch. So I guess that won't highlight. My lounging position on the couch, I almost always seem to sit on the left side of the couch. I put my left elbow on the couch the arm of the couch on my left side, and I swing my legs to my right on the length of the couch. And so this is just my observation of myself. When I go to sit on the couch, turn on the TV or read or plug in my phone or talk to someone in the living room, I sit on that left side. I put my left elbow up and I swing my legs up onto the couch the long ways. So again, I'm just observing. Then I want to observe how long do I stay in this position? And what kind of position is my spine in? What position are my hips and my pelvis and my spine and my neck, and kind of what's my shape in this position? And again, I probably spend more time in that position than I think I do because I plug in my phone there. I watch TV there. I look at my phone there. That's my living room. This is where I lounge. So that's my observation. Position number 2, or station 2, my driving position. So I always rest observing myself. I always rest my right elbow on the right arm rest in the driver's seat. So the armrest or the console, either one, depending on what car I'm driving, I have my right elbow on there, kind of bracing myself a little bit on that console. I frequently have a cup of coffee in my right hand with my elbow on that armrest or console. And so if I think about what my body is doing in this position, there's definitely more action going on my right side of my trunk with my muscles. I want to look at where does my body fall when that's my automatic comfortable position. And again, with the time, I think it's one thing, and then if I go and look at something objective like my Google Maps or when I do my mileage or something, then I'm definitely in the car a lot more than I think I am. Okay, position number 3, my third station, my sleeping position. So I tend to almost always start on my left side, curled up on my left side. And my bedside table's on my left side. So I'm on my left side. Whatever I'm reaching for is to my left. And we're going to take a look at these together. And then obviously I'm sleeping for a good amount of time, hopefully. So if I look at those hours, I've got 4, 6, 14 hours there that I'm probably in one of these positions. I do move a lot throughout the day, but still I'm in one of these positions. That's a long time. So if my observations of how I'm holding my body in these positions of comfort, if I can identify anything that might be helpful in improving my body's tolerance to different positions, then I want to do that. But that's not what we're doing quite yet. We're only taking inventory and just thinking about observation. These are my common 3 positions. This is how I automatically, my habitual positioning. This is how I totally comfortable putting myself without thinking. That's really the definition of a habit. Something that you do without thinking. It's just automatic. So that's my postural inventory. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next module and learn and think about the next things that are coming up. And then we're going to come back to this and think about some other things on how to make some modifications to this. But for right now, you're just observing.